So guys, I left Salmon Arm. I could not find a spot. It's so frustrating. I try and try and try, but driving around, and yeah, there is no place for real boondocking. There's forestry roads that you can stay for like a night, pretty much like on the side of the road, except that it's not on a busy road, it's on a side road. Yeah, or otherwise businesses, some businesses like Walmart, which I'm not a fan of. So I ended up coming back to Vernon, and I ended up coming to a campsite. I've been here before, Dutchess. It's the is it? Well, I guess not really. It's not the only one in Vernon. There's a couple, but they're kind of on the outskirts of Vernon. This one is actually right close to Kalamalka Lake. But I wanted to do a few things anyhow, like the screen, and also I'm having an issue, like wasps this year are really bad, and mosquitoes. So I need to do something with this door. I'd like to leave the doors open so I can let some air in. I've tried the magnetic screen, but it just rips because you're constantly in and out, and I've like one of them is like a sticky tape that you just kind of adhere it to, which worked well. That's the one I used when I drove across Canada, but it's just fraying, and pretty soon it's just going to start falling apart. So then I bought the one that you tape around the door, and it's kind of magnetic in between. Well, that, to be quite honest, I felt that it was a pain in the ass. Every time you open it, you pull, and trying to get the magnets, to automatically close, because it's not a full door space. So I chose to make a curtain, and I have a curtain rod hanging up. I saw it last weekend when I was in Summerland. One of the other ladies had it, and I thought it was a fantastic idea. The only problem is I do have a seat belt on the passenger side, which kind of interferes a little, but I'm hoping that it won't be too much of an issue. We'll see. Anyhow, I will take videotapes of Dutchess while I'm here, Dutchess campsite in Vernon BC, and show you around. So stay tuned. So they have a little store with a little bit of food, toys for the kids, candy, of course, chocolate bar. So this is the entrance going in. They do lock the gate at 10 o'clock at night. I don't know if this is classified as overflow. I'm not sure. They do have a dumpster somewhere. Oh, I know where it is. It's beside the black car. It's in gate, right beside a busy road. The beach is have to turn around here, a block away where the set of lights is, just past, I believe. I'm pretty sure. It's walking distance. I've walked it, but that was like a year ago. They do have e-bike rental. That's where the laundry is. That's where I just came from. And then the miniature golf. I've taken videos of that. There's a bathroom and one shower here. I actually prefer the shower, to be quite honest. Laundry room, nice and clean. So they have 3 showers to the left, but that's all it is just like a shower stall, and then bathrooms. They do have a tenting area on the opposite side, way down. No services, but these ones up here are serviced. There comes another one. The whole family's here. I have no food for you guys. No. It's the ducks.